In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the CHOOSECOLS function here in Google Sheets. Now, in a previous video, I've already shown you how to use the XLOOKUP function and have multiple returns with the help of the HSTACK function. Now, one of our commenters, thank you for that comment, actually asked if we can also use the CHOOSECOLS function in place of the HSTACK function. So let's go ahead and do that. We have, again, our example data set right here, and that is for a purchase order sheet. And here on our next sheet, we have the customer sheet, and we want to have those multiple returns placed right here. So if you haven't checked out that video yet, do watch that first before proceeding to this one, so you would know how to use the XLOOKUP function with multiple returns. So here, I'm just going to enter the same formula. Let's go ahead and put in XLOOKUP right here. Our search key would be the customer's name, comma. Our lookup range will be going back to our purchase order sheet. Here we go, and select this one right here, which will give you a table reference name, which is purchase order, customer name, comma. The next part of our formula would be our result range. Now, again, for this result range, we actually use the HSTACK to have our multiple returns in a certain order. So again, you can check out that video first before proceeding to this one. So instead of HSTACK, we're going to use CHOOSECOLS or CHOOSECOLUMNS. So here it says CHOOSECOLS would create an array of the specified columns. If we select that, we have here our syntax. So we have our array. Let's select our array right here, which is this one. We have our tax, total purchase price, and quantity. After that, we are going to put in a comma, then the column number. So here in our range, we have number 1 for our quantity, number 2 for our price, number 3 for our total purchase, and number 4 for our tax. So we can now just select it in the order that we want. Let's say we want the tax first, that's 4, comma, then the price, that's 2, comma, then our total purchase, and last but not the least, our quantity, which is number 1. So we have the order of having the fourth, the second, the third, and the first columns in this arrangement. Now let's close that off, press enter, and there you have it. If we drag this formula down, we will have the same results if we were to do it with HSTACK. So another application to this one would be, let's just say you want to rearrange the order of this table right here. You can definitely do that. Let's try and do it right below. So we are going to start with CHOOSECOLS. There we have it. You can type it in or select it right there. Then select your array. Let's go back to purchase order sheet. Select the entire table, comma. Then the order of your table. Let's say we want to have the customer name first, then the customer ID, then the product purchase, and then just the total purchase. So we can definitely do that. Let's select number 2 first, which is our column B, customer name, comma, then our customer ID, which is number 1, comma, our product purchase, 3, and the last one would be our total purchase, which is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th column right here. Then close that off and press enter, and there you have it. Now we have rearranged those columns into the arrangement that we want with the help of the CHOOSECOLS function here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.